A suspended juvenile court judge charged with a slew of felonies, some strong accusations, but was there strong enough evidence? Good evening, I'm Julie O'Neill. They all know each other in Hamilton County Court, and it's gotten heated in this trial. As the closing arguments begin, our John Genovese gets some colorful insight into what we're likely to see in Judge Nadle's courtroom this week. John?
Julie, it all gets started at 10:30 tomorrow morning, and judging by what we've seen so far, neither side will be holding anything back.
4 weeks of a trial with its fair share of fireworks.
Okay, look, both of you be quiet. The objection sustained. Let's ask the next question.
Both sides now expected to make their final plea.
I think that the actual closing argument will be like the shootout at the OK Corral.
Defense attorney Mark Crumbine has argued many cases before Judge Nadle, and he's followed Hunter's case closely.
You've got Clyde Bennett for Judge Hunter, a very capable defense attorney. You've got two other defense attorneys who have been top-notch defense attorneys for decades, but they're the prosecutors.
Hunter is charged with 9 felonies, including forgery and tampering with evidence. Prosecutors argue she backdated documents and used a court-issued credit card for personal expenses.
They're claiming that the judge should have known she couldn't use a charge card for her court cost, but you know, the defense may argue, well, maybe she probably thought it was okay.
But Crumbine said arguably the most important testimony involves Hunter's own brother. Stephen Hunter worked at the juvenile jail but was fired for punching an inmate. He testified that he received documents from his sister involving his own disciplinary hearing before it ever began.
The question is going to be, will the jury feel that that is a felony, or is this just her innocently helping her brother?
Time will soon tell in a trial entering its final days.
Everybody there is very capable. We've got a very capable judge who will let them fight it out. So I think we're going to see a big battle on Monday.
And since the trial began, they've lost several jurors, and those remaining are likely anxious to start deliberations, which could happen as soon as tomorrow. So, Julie, it should be an interesting day in court.
Indeed, and we will have every moment of the trial as it moves forward, streaming live on WCPO.com and tweeting from the courtroom, again starting at 10:30 tomorrow morning. Right now, a 19-year-old